Good morning, students. Today I am going to revise sound of vowel I. Sound of vowel I. Okay, students. Now read these words: SIX, six; FIX, fix; MIX, mix; HIP, hip; DIP, dip; SIP, sip; HILL, hill; MILL, mill; BILL, bill; LINK, link; SINK, sink; PINK, pink; LIGHT, light; NIGHT, night; RIGHT, right. Okay, students, now read these words: